Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick and very helpful video if you have a Porsche Cayenne first generation, if you guys want to see how to remove the windshield trim, also known as cowl trim piece on Porsche Cayenne. You have multiple components underneath. One of those is the weak spot, which is the brake booster vacuum line that cracks all the time. We need to replace. You can access other components as well. Stay with us, we'll cover that in this video today. So guys, in order to remove the windshield cowl trim piece right here, we need to remove the two windshield wiper arms, on that Cayenne. That way we can lift it up. So let's go ahead, explain how to do that, and we'll continue with the next step. So guys, in order to remove the windshield wiper arm, what we need to do first, we need to remove the cover right here. Usually they have a cover on the nut, so dirt, dust, water doesn't get in and it doesn't rust so bad. This one is out, so let me just set it here so we don't lose it. Now the first thing we're going to do, interphone penetrating spray. This is amazing spray, and spray right here. Why? Because that's where the wiper arm gets stuck, usually. Now in our case it's a 5/8 socket right here. We're going to go ahead and pre-loosen the nut. Now that nut, you will see how much rust is there. Once you remove it, you get the spray again and you spray where, well right here where, the windshield wiper arm goes on the bolt. It needs to soak a little bit. It will not be easy. This one is an older vehicle. That's a 20-year-old vehicle. Never been removed, So be prepared now. What we're going to do, put the nut back in, careful with your windshield. I'm going to lift it up a little bit, shake it and tap on the nut a little bit. Very gentle, no, don't hit your windshield, it'll be done. Let's see if it's going to come out without any special tools, because usually there is a, look at all the rust here. Windshield wiper pour that you can get, and ours, guys, is really bad. Look at all the rust coming off. We're running out of spray too, and we're going to go ahead and do it again. Now sometimes if they don't want to come off and you don't have a puller, you may need to soak them the previous night. So grab on the wiper, kind of like shake it a little bit, and tap on it, Now, the rust will be unreal here. Watch now. Do you see all that rust building in there? Once it cracks, it goes easy. But this one will not be easy, guys, It will take a little bit. I see it already starting to penetrate. So that's a good thing. So while you're heating, you grab on the wiper and pull up and shake it a little bit. And what happened now, guys? Check this thing out. Told you I saw it penetrating. From all that tapping, the penetrating spray gets in, all that rust comes loose, and the wiper arm is out, guys. Now check out the amount of rust here, amount of rust on the axle, and you can see the wiper arm came out like that. Guys, next we need to remove these caps. Sometimes you just grab them by hand and you can pull them out. Now here again, the 5/8 socket we're going to get, and we're going to remove the nuts. From what I see, these two are not bad, like the first one. The other one, it's on the driver's side. But this is a different design of wiper too, because this is the one with the two arms. So let me see now. This one came out, the first one came out, it has a washer. Let me see now the second, because this one is just, floating there. Spray this one a little bit. Like that, we're going to grab on the wiper arm. Preferably install the nut so you don't damage your bolt, otherwise you'll damage the bolt and you have to replace the windshield wiper and linkage after that. Okay, let's see if it's coming out. Not yet. Okay, there will be. A little bit of resistance on this one. On the left side it came out super easy, that's a good sign, but on this one, no, not yet. I think it starts cracking from what I see. So we might be lucky, guys. Okay, let's see if we can bang that thing another minute or so. So much easier if you have the power, guys. We'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. If you decide to get one, it's coming loose, I think. I just want to spray a little bit more here and see if it's gonna do it this time. Okay. Let me see, I think it's coming off, yeah. I felt it coming loose here. It's coming. Just a little bit more. Okay, it's loose. You can do it without a wiper puller. Okay, here there is some plastic underneath. We need to be careful. We'll see what it is. Okay, and this one came off too. Okay, that's a plastic underneath with a metal. Okay, let's show you how it was. It was this metal piece here installed in that cap, and then it was installed right here. Okay, on the wiper, like that, when you put it together. But yeah, you see, guys, okay, it came out just like this one. Guys, now we have the fenders removed and the hood. Okay, you don't have to do that. On the fenders you may have one little bitty cap here that you need to pull out. It has one clip. You need to unscrew your plastic clips for what it goes, 90 degrees. Okay, those are really tricky sometimes because they do break, but the replacement ones are very inexpensive, and we'll share the link. So you need to find a good spot on those. Okay, and pull it out. You have one more here. We pre-loosened that one already. Just show you on one. Ah, it's still holding. Okay, perfect. Now you're going to have clips like that on this side, on the passenger side, right here. Okay, right there. 1, 2. We have ours removed, as you can see, but that's it practically. And now, if you pull the seal out a little bit, okay, the windshield trim cowl piece will come out. It has a sensor there, wire. Okay, that's the air quality sensor, I believe, for the automatic. Okay, air circulation. And it came out, you can see, guys, just like this one right here. The windshield cowl trim piece, the trim around the windshield came out. You can see, guys, just like that. Putting it together in reverse order, we took it apart. Guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Please subscribe to the channel, give us a like. Let's grow that channel together so we can help more people save money. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.